Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Michael Stores mobile app and how it helps users shop for arts and crafts supplies easily from their phones. The Michaels app offers a wide range of products including art supplies, home decor, craft materials, and seasonal items. It allows users to browse through categories, check product availability at nearby stores, and make purchases directly through the app. You can also find weekly deals and coupons, which makes shopping more affordable. One of the app's convenient features is the barcode scanner, which helps users quickly get product details and prices while in-store. The app also lets you create shopping lists and save favorite items for future purchases. Additionally, it offers inspiration through project ideas and tutorials to help users with their creative endeavors. Pros include easy navigation, access to exclusive deals, and the ability to check store inventory in real time. Some cons are occasional app crashes reported by users and limited payment options compared to the website. Overall, the Michael Stores mobile app is a useful tool for craft enthusiasts who want to shop conveniently and save money. It integrates shopping with inspiration, making it a valuable companion for DIY projects. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please refer to the email in the description.